Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Devriasa and I'm from English student English teacher. Today I will present about body discipline in the movie Turning Red Focaldian Discourse thesis by Elga Triwandari. Introduction. Background of the study. Gender stereotypes shaped by cultural backgrounds and childhood observation contribute to a societal expectations of how men and women should behave. Women particularly face changing precedent and uncertainties dealing with stereotypes such as being fussy or demanding and societal expectations like cooking and maintaining the home. These stereotypes, growth in culture, ethnicity, and social position play a role in shaping women's self-image and social interaction. Or Anubai and the 2023. Beauty standards closely related to social recognition significantly influence women's lives. Every ethnicity and culture has its own way to the concept, with social norms, historical events, and economic factors influencing their standards. The pressure to conform to the standard often leads to insecurities and self-esteem issues affecting women's choice and behaviors. Two problem of study. The study focused on the portrayal of women's regulation in the animated film Turning Red, specifically through the character Maylin Lee. The problem addressed are what are Maylin Lee's body discipline in the movie Turning Red? How do this body discipline impact Maylin Lee's personality? Three, object of the study. The study aims to identify and analyze Myelin-Lee's body discipline in Turning Red, analyze the impact of this body discipline on Myelin-Lee personality. 4. Significance of the study. This research holds significance theoretically by contributing to literary analysis and raising the understanding of body discipline and its impact on personality using the film as a case study, practically serving as a reference for future research on similar topics and aiding literature students in encouraging their knowledge about body discipline through literary analysis. Limitation of the study. The study is confined to the analysis of body discipline and its effect on melanine in the movie Tunnel Red, based on Michel Foucault's theory. Literature review. Body discipline by Foucauldian discourse. In Michel Foucault's view, the body encompasses more than its physical aspect. It includes the soul, thought, and everything that shapes one's existence. Cultural interpretation have the power to transform the body as each aspect of power can totally control and supervise it. Foucault's perspective on power shaping the body, creating flexibility and resistance is critical in understanding how coercion operates in political anatomy. Women's roles and cultural influence. Female figures' roles vary across time and cultures, reflecting cultural obsession and societal construction. Focal, focals, focals analogy with 19 century caused discomfort and impact on the body, aligning with his writings on torture. Women's roles are shaped by culture and social norm, influencing dressing behavior and addresses to specific standards. Focal Dion scores in the time. The scores, according to Focal, stands beyond communication science involving language, practice, and institution shaping knowledge. Discourse analysis aim to identify patterns expressed in a text, aligning with Foucault's reflection on discipline, power, and subjectivity. Subjectivity. Discourse is a system of knowledge defining what can be said, how, and by whom, closely related to power in society. Tolerance synopsis. Tolerance follow May, a Chinese Canadian teenager in Toronto navigating poverty and family relationship. May's transformation into a red panda symbolizes societal norms, pressure, and the struggle for self-acceptance. Maze transformation into a red panda reflects focus beyond power, linking it to societal expression and external influence. The movie explores May's struggle to balance her identity, societal expression, and the impact of her red panda form on her life. Surveillance engaged in the movie, May's transformation is closely watched and regulated as showing focus assertion on society scrutiny of bodies. The red panda form becomes a seat of social control, emphasizing how external influences shape and control individuals. Discipline mechanism in the movie, institution and a character in turning red, control behavior, reflection, focus, theories, and disciplinary power. May's interaction with school and family is illustrate the application of disciplinary methods. Application of focal theory in the movie. Focal concept of power surveillance and normalization are applied to analyze turning red. The film portrayed body body regulation with focused understanding of power dynamics and societal influence. Previous study of study on body discipline as in the first object, including King, Dick, Carlos, and George and Savannah. King King study on female body discipline. King studied into discipline the female body using focal discipline and punish. The absence of the female body in focal arguments is explored, emphasizing gender blindness, discipline power, Dick's power. Dick study and regulates hunger. The manifesto body discipline in the Hunger Games movie focuses on the capital's regulation of hunger. The study explained the absence of hunger at the capital, emphasizing a difference between district and the capital. Carlos and George study on modernity. Carlos and George study address the relation of drifts and bodily practice in the modernity, integrating vocal and non-verbal illustration. The research explores the use of force, violence, and acceptable regulation in modern era practice. Savannah study and Chinese standard parenting. Savannah studies analyzing Chinese Canadian parenting styles in turning red using Stuart Hall's representation theory and boomerang theory. The study discussed an authori- authoritarian parenting style imposed on May by her mother, reflection power dynamics. Methods and data collection. Descriptive quality research. Descriptive quality research primarily focus on describing the characteristic of research samples. Creswell's definition emphasizes qualitative research role in exploring and understanding the meaning individuals or group ascribe to a social problem. Depends on information from participant and data collection mostly from text or word. Qualitative approach use the more formula the problem, collect field data analysis it, a square study result, and prepare recommendation for decision making. Application to turning the movie. Qualitative research in the context of analyzing a body discipline in the turning red movie. Focus on investigative sequence and dialogue reflection, reflecting body regulation especially toward the main character Melindy. Object of study turning red movie of five of the movie produced by Pixar Animation Studio, distributed by Disney, directed by Domi C, and released in 2022. Genre animation comedy duration on hour and 5 minutes. The main focus of study analyzing body discipline in mainly within the Turning Red movie. Technique quest for collection data collection procedure, repeatedly watch the Turning Red movie on Disney to comprehend the story and individual body discipline issues. Underline dialogues and scan depicting body discipline by the main character. Collect all underlying data for analysis, consult blogs and journals to gather information from paper studies, techniques for analyzing data, and data analysis procedure, classify data showing types of body discipline and its impact on myelin in determining that moving. Analyze data through the lens of focal theory, focusing on body discipline and its impact on myelin personality. Draw conclusion based on the thesis findings. Findings and interpretation. This should aim to explain various aspect aspect of the movie content. In particular, the set like on the main issues and objectives of the research. There are two main conclusions from the research. Firstly, this research discusses the different types of body discipline deficit in the movie Turning Red. This includes thoroughly reviewing how the film's character interact with their bodies, whether motor behaviors, action, or emotional reaction, test bodily disciplines, boy understanding of the character experience and motivation, which contributes to the richness of the movie's narrative. Secondly, this is utilizes Michel Foucault, the theory of the relationship between power, knowledge, and social institutions. The research investigates how Melinda's interaction with her body affect her sense of self-agency and identity in the social context they visit in the movie. One, the body discipline found in the movie Turning Red based on purple perspective in this subchapter. The research focused on thorough exploring the body discipline mainly content in the movie Turning Red based on focal perspective. The form of body discipline that the research discussed are forms based on focal perspective, especially from the institution. Turning Red is a film that explores the themes of the identity, cultural norms, institutional power, social order, and authority fester the less of the China the Canadian experience. Below are some form but of body discipline discussed in the movie. One, institute discipline. Institute discipline refers to the system of rules, regulation, and procedures established within an organization or institution to maintain order and enforce compliance and correct behaviors that are deemed inappropriate or disruptive. A family B society. Two, form of body derivation impact personality of Melanie. In the movie The Red, Meli's personality is hyped by a complex complex interplay of genetic, environmental, and societal factors, which may also have connection to her body regulation mechanism. This body regulation impact the personality of Melindy. A. Angry, B. Soft, C. Proud, and acceptance. 3. Interpretation. Michel Foster's concept of body discipline explores how modern society regulates individuals, shaping behavior through discipline mechanisms and turning red. Mainly family forces correct custom behaviors in broader social norm. This suggests the family pressure themes from society expectation contributing to body discipline. The analysis highlights how body discipline extends beyond institutional control, illustrating a complex interplay between power norms and societal expression. This allies with focal view that body discipline is pervasive, shaping individual behaviors within families and communities. Conclusion: the study on body discipline in the movie Red refer to main aspect firstly, individuality institutional discipline is within family and society impacting the mind character mainly leading to emotion like anger, shock, and ultimately pride or acceptance. Secondly, the research delves into the phenomenon of body discipline, focusing on how institutions have shape women's body image. In Turning Red, Melanie is portrayed as conforming to hereditary traditions, embracing the expression devised on her as a Canadian citizen. The film illustrated Melanie struggling to break free from familiar stereotypes, leading to emotional turmoil and eventual acceptance. The research uncovers the intricate power dynamic influence woman body regulation in modern society. It emphasizes the role of family dynamics, social environment, and societal norm is in shaping individual response to external expectation. Turning red serves as a powerful study indicating the importance of acknowledging on true identity, challenging societal boundaries, and finding track in self-acceptance. The finish underscore the need for increased awareness and support for individuals navigating. navigating the journey of self-discovery, particularly in challenging society constructed that hinder continuous self-expression. The research advocates for stopping oppression practice and fostering an environment that encourages individuals, especially women, to express and embrace their true selves. Suggestion. There is a strongly recommend comprehensive understanding of body discipline. There's rooted in Michel Foucault's The Theoretic Framework to explore the intricate dynamic between society norms, individual agency, and power within the human body. Future research are undergoing the aptly Foucault's concept of body discipline as evident in terms that analyzing the movie of Foucauldian lens provides distinct into how visual evidence and character development can either reinforce or challenge a concept of body discipline. Scholars studying power, control, and the body can use this kinematic analysis as a valuable reference recommendation for partner research, include starting with a literature review on faculty days. Selection, selecting a relevant second definition body discipline. This being power starters and analyzing visual representations to understand how discipline is portrayed in relation to power dynamics. Okay, thank you for attention and listening. And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Yo. Apa boleh buat? Eh?